Hi friends, let me show you this new EasyFlex landscape edging that I bought to organize this new patio that I am putting together. I'm going to show you. It's a 60 feet long edge or 18.2 meters, and you get everything you need. You don't need to do any special digging. You get everything you need in the package. This is the actual edge, a 1.5 inches high edge. So you are going to install it easily with these holes, and you can give it the form or shape that you need, okay? I'm going to pre-open it. So you get these spikes that you will put through these holes to fix it to the ground. And if you need to get these connectors to connect it with another part, another edging, if your job requires a larger edge, okay? You put them like this and you spike them together, okay? So you get connectors, spikes, and 60 feet of edging. Let's put it together. As you can see, this is just a temporary spike here, so I can organize it and lay it down where I want it. I want to have like a linear garden here, so it's long enough for my needs. I already have some plants here, and you can cut it where you need to be the end. Okay, so it's easy. You just cut it with a strong scissors or any cutting accessory, and you spike it down to the ground, and you have your edging ready to put a different kind of material in each side. Okay, so let's install it. As you can see now, we have a really nice garden organized by our plastic edger. It's flexible, so you can do curves like this, and you can organize your landscape like this. So if you are planning on remodeling your landscape, your gardens, organizing them with stones and different kind of plants, this is a great option for your home, office, or any kind of garden. Thank you.